this video I'm going to show you how you can change the outlook of your landing page. As you can see from my example, I have some advertising here from my company, but perhaps you might want to have, as a school, a landing page that looks a bit more like this. In this school, they've decided to split it early years, primary, secondary, parents and staff. Now, some people would say that this is far more effective, far more user friendlier. There is a danger, as you create all the courses, that you could end up with a page looking like that, which in some cases could be a bit confusing. So, back to our NEAC page, and I'll show you how we can change this and how I added all this in. The first thing we need to do is turn the editing on. Once the editing is turned on, we can now start to prepare this. Now, before you start this exercise, you should make sure you've collected all your icons that you need. So what I'm going to show you is how to change the layout on the front page. If you click on the spanner, or it'll be a cog on some versions of Moodle, what I'm now going to do is select below the original banner, and I'm going to select this icon, which is Insert Edit Table. And what I'm going to now do is select, I want 5 columns and 2 rows. You'll understand why when I come to it. We can put a cell padding in, which is the difference between the two cells, and a space. The alignment we want as center, and then the width, we can put whatever width we want in pixelation and whatever height we want. Under the advanced tab, if I wanted to, I could put a background image, or I could put a frame, rules, etc., language direction. I can have a colour for the border, and I can put background colour. So I'm going to insert that table, and you can see there's the table there. Now, don't worry about the spacing, we can always move that back. What I'm now going to do is I'm going to insert a picture. So, there's our picture insert. Now I need to find or upload the image. Once I've browsed to my files, I can now select the first image, which is going to be maths. I'm going to choose it and upload. There's the icon. I'm pretty happy with that. If it's too big, I can go to appearance and change the size. At the moment I've set it 128 by 128. The alignment, we can then go back top, middle, bottom, etc. I'm going to go for the middle and insert. At this point, you can insert a image description. So those are visually impaired, when the mouse is hovered over it, it will tell them what the image means. I'm not going to do that today. There's the image. You can see that it's stretched this along, but there's not a problem because we can move this back later. We go to the second block and repeat. You can now see I've got my 2 images in. I'm just going to put a third one in. File or upload an image. Choose a file. Upload the file. Once I've got my icons in and I've typed the names at the bottom, I can highlight the names, change the format, perhaps to paragraph, or change the format to heading, center, and then finish. Save the changes, and there you have the finished article. Now, of course, you can carry on this for all the subjects in the school. The next video I'm going to show you is how we can hyperlink these so they jump straight to these courses here.